Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shamsa Kamal. I am your chemistry teacher. अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यू बोर्ड स्कीम हमारा जो 9th क्लास का सिलेबस है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया है 9th क्लास में और मैट्रिक क्लास में। पहले हम 9th क्लास में ही 1 से लेकर 18 तक चैप्टर्स को जो एक्सप्लेन किया करते थे, लेकिन अब जो है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया 9 एंड मैट्रिक में। तो स्टूडेंट आप लोग जो हैं वो 9th क्लास में 1 to 10 चैप्टर्स को हम पढ़ेंगे और मैट्रिक में इंशाल्लाह ताला आप 11 से 18 चैप्टर्स देंगे। 9th क्लास में जो हमारा सिलेबस है वो है 1 to 10 चैप्टर्स एंड थ्योरी पेपर विल बी अबाउट 60 मार्क्स। जो आपका थ्योरी का पेपर होगा वो 60 मार्क्स का होगा और प्रैक्टिकल जो होगा वो 15 मार्क्स का होगा। तो टोटल आपके 9th क्लास में जो ओवरऑल केमिस्ट्री के मार्क्स होंगे वो 75 होंगे। इसी तरीके से 75 मार्क्स का पेपर इंशाल्लाह ताला आप लोग देंगे मैट्रिक क्लास में। तो सिलेबस जो हमने फर्स्ट टर्म का रखा है 9th क्लास में, उसमें 4 चैप्टर्स इंक्लूडेड हैं। फर्स्ट चैप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन टू केमिस्ट्री, सेकंड चैप्टर स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर, थर्ड चैप्टर सॉल्यूशन एंड सस्पेंशन and the fourth chapter that is chemical combination. First chapter, third topic that is contribution of Muslim scientists in the field of chemistry, and the second topic is significant reasons to study chemistry. Contribution of Muslim scientists. We will discuss in this topic the contribution of Muslim scientists. The first scientist that is Jabir bin Hayyan. Jabir bin Hayyan was generally known as a father of chemistry. He was a father of chemistry. He was the first practical chemist and built the first ever chemical laboratory. सबसे पहले जो chemical laboratory थी that was made by Jabir bin Hayyan. What are the contribution? What are the achievement? उनकी achievement क्या थी? Contributions क्या थी in the field of chemistry? The contribution of Jabir bin Hayyan. He invented experimental method for the preparation of nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, aqua regia and white lead. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. What is aqua regia? It is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. What is the function of this aqua regia? It dissolves the noble metals like gold and platinum. Second achievement, he also developed the methods for the extraction of metals from their ores. What is ore? It is a natural rock that contains one and more valuable minerals. So Jabir bin Hayyan developed method for the extraction of metal from their ores. He invented the method for the dyeing of clothes. उन्होंने कपड़ों को डाई करने के लिए जो मेथड डेवलप किया किसने किया? जाबिर बिन हयान ने। He developed the method for the preparation of steel and varnish. What is varnish? It is a clear, transparent, hard protective layer. He also developed the process of golden script writing with iron pyrite. He developed the process of golden script writing with iron pyrite. The second Muslim scientist, that is Al-Razi. He was a physician, chemist, philosopher and an expert surgeon. What are the contribution? He divided the substance into living and non-living origin. उन्होंने living and non-living substance को बिल्कुल अलग अलग किया, डिफ्रेंशिएट किया और उनको डिवाइड किया living and non-living में. He was the first to use opium as an anesthesia. What is anesthesia? जो कोई खुदा न खासा बीमार हो जाता है तो उसको बेहोश करने के लिए जो ऑपरेशन थिएटर में जो यूज़ होती है दवाई, उसको एनेस्थीसिया बोलते हैं. It is in general anesthesia is accompanied by the putting a patient asleep. जो पेशेंट्स को ऑपरेशन थिएटर में बेहोश करने के लिए जो दवाई यूज़ की जाती है उसको एनेस्थीसिया कहते हैं. तो सबसे पहले इन्होंने इसको डेवलप किया. He prepared ethyl alcohol by the fermentation process. What is ethyl alcohol? The formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH. And what is fermentation? It is a process in which the substance breaks down in a simpler substance. So he prepared the ethyl alcohol by the fermentation process. Fermentation is a process in which a substance breaks down into a simpler substances. He determined the specific gravities of different things. What is the specific gravity? It is a ratio of the density of any substance to the density of some other substances, taking it as a standard. So he determined the specific gravities of different things. He classified compound into 4 groups, that is minerals, botanical, zoological and the derived ones. Al-Biruni, he determined the densities of different substances. What is density? The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. He worked on 18 precious stones and metals. Ibn Sina, he contributed medicine, medicinal chemistry, philosophy, mathematics and astronomy. ही स्टडीड द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ मिनरल, उन्होंने मिनरल की जो है वो प्रॉपर्टीज़ को डिफ़ाइन किया. सेकेंड टॉपिक, दैट इज़ सिग्निफिकेंट रीजन्स टू स्टडी केमिस्ट्री. देयर आर सो मेनी सिग्निफिकेंट रीजन्स. हम केमिस्ट्री क्यों पढ़ते हैं, उसके फ़ायदे क्या हैं, व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंट रीजन्स, बट वी विल डिस्कस सम ऑफ देम यहाँ पर. सो हेयर वी विल डिस्कस द 3 सिग्निफिकेंट रीजन. The first one is the intellectual enterprise. What is the meaning of intellectual enterprise? Chemistry is an intellectual enterprise. It can explain our material world. With the help of chemistry, we can explain our material world. Our world is made up of material, different type of material. So with the help of chemistry, we can explain our material world. We can understand our material world. Practical application. Chemistry is important practical application in our society. For example, development of life-saving drugs. With the help of chemistry, we can make so many drugs, that is the medicines to save our lives. So chemistry help in development of life-saving drugs. We can make drugs to save our lives and development of drugs. Modern technology. With the help of modern technology, we can understand chemistry and we can explain our material world. Intellectual tool. Chemistry is an intellectual tool in every field for making important decisions. In other fields like biology, in the advancement of medicine, chemistry also helps in biology for the advancement of medicines. We can make so many medicine. We can do lots of work in the advancement of medicines by using chemistry. Chemistry provides greater knowledge of the human body, allowed for solutions to medical problems. Chemistry को यूज़ करते हुए हम different medical जो problems हैं उनके जो है वो solutions को find out कर सकते हैं. So chemistry help us for the solution of different medical problems.